students, welcome. Hope everyone at home and safe, right? So let us enter into classes. So today I am going to start for class 6 history chapter 2 from hunting, gathering to growing food. So presented by me Ramya K. So if you see this chapter name, it tells you that hunting and gathering to growing food. By this only you will get to know that the humans actually started hunting and gathering first and then started how to learn how to grow crops. Right? So this is actually the theme of the lesson. The whole chapter is actually connecting. So let us learn the lesson through a story. So first, here there is a boy called Tushar. So he is actually traveling in train from Delhi to Chennai and he is very excited and his uncle is actually in the train with him. So his uncle interacts with him. He states that the trains were actually started 150 years ago. Tushar was wondering. They started trains around 150 years ago. He was wondering how earlier people would travel from one place to another, or did they live their entire life in a place where they were born? So that is what we are going to learn in this chapter, my dear students. So we are going to learn how the earliest peoples started to move from one place to another. Why did they actually move? What was the reason behind it? Even though they had moved, it was almost very long back, like 200 years, right? How will we get to know about what happened 200 years ago? Do you think we will get to know about all those things? But how? That is what the question is. How will you know about those peoples who had traveled 200 years to 300 years back? If they would have traveled yesterday or day before yesterday or even a month before, we could have said that they have traveled so and so because of these reasons. But here the scenario is very different. No one is alive for 200 years to tell us the history, right? It is not possible, right? So we are going to read how we get to know that how people used to travel and how to choosing the place to live in. What kind of places does these peoples live? So even that we are going to read. And how did fire actually started? Find about the fire. How did actually fire started and how they were cooking before the fire was invented and how the cooking style changed and how difficult it would have been for them to live a life without a fire. It would have been very difficult, right? So we are going to read how difficult it was, and after the invention of fire, how easy the life became. And we will going to read about a little bit about the change in environment, how the human started to change himself towards the environment, how he started to adapt himself towards the environment. Okay, and let us also learn little bit about farming and herding. And you know what is farming and what is herding, right, students? And also about how they were domesticating the animals, and a very interesting topic, how they were storing the animals. Storing the animals was about storing food, right? Food or seeds. But have you heard about storing animals? So I'll discuss about this in detail in the further classes. So we will also find about how the first farmers and herders were and how humans started to settle life. What is this settle life? Firstly, actually, he was hunting and gathering in the first, and later he started to grow crops. Right? When he started to grow crops, do you think it was possible for humans to take a land or wherever he goes? Don't you think that is very difficult to take a land, agricultural land? So therefore, he started to lead a settled life. And also, it was very difficult for him to travel from one place to another, keeping the animals, so which had domesticated. And and we also have a close look on how peoples were living and dying in Mahagra. Mahagra is actually a place, it is a case study which we are going to study. So thank you, students. So all these things we are going to study. So this is going to be a very good session. I hope everyone will enjoy this and get to know lots and lots about history. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.